looking for places to go. The boys in the street are talking about leaving, they're leaving, looking for places to go. Built his coffin down in Carolina, told me he was running from something, but I think he's just out chasing girls. Aaron moved all of his shit to Chicago. Mother made sure that she left with the Bible, but you won't find her face on Sunday.